Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best bed tray tables that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Hyshina Bamboo Breakfast Bed. Make no mistake, this bamboo breakfast bed tray or lap desk tray from Hyshina isn't going to hold a ton of weight. It is a simple, easy to fold, and lightweight trap for using while you're in bed. It cleans up easily and can be stored just about anywhere. You can slide it under the bed or rest it in the corner against the wall. I'm not going to put much weight on it, but for us to use when we have a lazy evening eating in bed and watching TV, it serves its purpose. I could use a bit more surface area and the price is kind of high, but otherwise it's a nice offering. I have a bum back, and a couple times a year, I go down and have to rest for a couple days. This is a great solution to sitting in bed. I'm able to put my laptop on the tray, or eat a sandwich. This is a nice portable small bed desk that works perfectly for me. Of course it's also great for that special days when someone is served breakfast in bed and this folds up easily for storage. At number 4. Bed Tray Table with Folding Legs. This is the perfect way to eat while you watch TV in bed, and you certainly don't have to be ill. The bed tray table fits comfortably on your lap or legs while you're in bed. Nothing spills, unless you get all involved in a good basketball game. We got 2, it was a Valentine's Day present, and it's everything the Amazon description said it would be. It arrived quickly, well packaged, and there is no assembly. Yay! Every home with a big screen TV in the bedroom needs a couple of these. I actually got this for my dog who is getting old and bending his head down to eat was getting a bit painful. Also his breed is prone to volvulus stomach torsion and raised feeding bowls as a method of avoiding that. After trying various things, boxes, etc., it finally dawned on me that I could use a bed tray. It works wonders. Very easy to put up when feeding the dog, then fold and tuck away when he's done. At number 3. Winsome Alden. With this product, you cannot go wrong. Winning many hearts with its spectacular performance, the product has rightfully earned the title of Amazon's choice. This product serves as much more than a mere tray. Since the product comes with a wise flip top, you can store many essential items in the table. If that was not enough, it also provides you with a drawer. The product has a spacious lap clearance so you can use it without any discomfort. As a matter of fact, the tray table comes with foldable legs. Thus, it will hardly take up any space during storage. If you are not great with tools, you are in luck. This product comes totally assembled for you. With the antique walnut finish on the table, the product looks like $1 million. As it has a construction of wood, it will prove to be a sturdy workstation. At number 2. Songmikes Bed Tray Table. This tray may look simple, but it is completely loaded with features. The tray table has cut out flower patterns on the surface which really upgrades the appearance. Although, it does more than just look great. The cutouts help dissipate the heat from your laptop to keep it cool. Moreover, not only can the legs of the product be folded, but it is extendable as well. Because of the thoughtful cup groove, you do not have to worry about spilling your drink. Besides, it provides an exclusive feature of a magnetic base. You can also take comfort in the fact that the table is completely eco-friendly. To store little important items in place, this product offers you a tiny drawer. Having all natural bamboo, the table is able to withstand the usual wear and tear effects. As it comes pre-assembled, all you need is to enjoy using this. Finally at number 1. Mavo Craft Bed Table Serving Tray. This product will win your heart with its simple but thoughtful design. The high-quality product proves to be durable. It comes with a flip top which helps you to store many items. The storage space can easily hold up to 7 pounds without any bending or cracks. Besides, not only does the product have storage space, but it is divided into various compartments for better organization. If you have a space crunch, this product will come to your aid as it hardly takes up any room. Even if you absolutely stuff your table with things, no need to worry. The stronghold closure makes sure to keep everything neatly in its place. The table is collapsed to be absolutely flat. This makes the table really travel-friendly so you can carry it anywhere. This is specifically ideal for kids and provides sufficient storage to a maximum of 7 pounds. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.